In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop WhatsApp from automatically saving photos onto your gallery. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So if you're tired of WhatsApp automatically saving photos to your gallery, then don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that problem. So first up, open up WhatsApp. Once you do that, click on these three dots right over here, and then click on the settings option. Once you do that, click on the chats option right over here, and then switch off media visibility. Once you do that, WhatsApp will no longer automatically save photos onto your gallery. So that's how you can easily fix WhatsApp saving photos automatically to your gallery. So if you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.